Hello, my people. I'll be doing a weekly forecast on EURUSD. And within this forecast, we'll try to predict price direction or price movement. And at the end of the video, spot trading opportunities, guys. So stay tuned to watch the video till the end to be able to grab some knowledge. So beginning with this market forecast, like always, I like to start on the higher time frame based on my system. I always like to analyze the market based on the higher time frame because starting on the higher time frame, I'm able to have a broader picture and a broader view of what price is doing or what price might do in the future. Basically, it's very simple. Looking at the higher time frame, we're able to see price is always either reacting from a supply zone from a supply zone, rather from a demand zone. So based on this simple concept, because if I'm a demand and supply trader, I'm expecting price to provide us a reaction within here as it's already doing. And basically, this is a 1 week demand zone. That is, it's a demand zone which was created on a 1 week time frame. And based on past information, I'm able to use this past information to use it in the present to predict future market movement. So from the past, I've noticed price has been reacting from demand and supply zones, basically on the high time frame. Yeah, not all the time do we get a reaction, but when price reaches such a zone, we should try to spot in some reaction and get able to spot in trading opportunities. So basically, I have a weekly demand zone here and a weekly demand zone here. So in my forecast, I'm expecting price to come within this weekly demand zone. And but it might not just come at once. We might see another reaction here to push price a little bit up. Like always, I'm expecting a reaction around this area. I'm expecting a reaction within this zone push price up a little bit for dumping. It might not happen like this, but basically I'm watching price within this area and watching price within this area. These are the two areas at the moment on a weekly time frame where I'm watching price. Based on the aspect that price is already within this area, I have to scale to the lower time frame to be able to have another picture, another view of the market. So guys, this is what I'm watching. So now I scale to the daily time frame. And also, guys, if we look on the daily time frame, there was a liquidity sweep. This week went up, mitigated this daily. It's a 1 day supply zone which got mitigated. And in mitigating the supply zone, liquidity was taken out on this high. And there was a change of structure here to the downside, telling us there's a possibility for the market to sell. And for the opportunity for the market to sell doesn't mean it might just continue to sell at once. Maybe we might get a simple reaction also like this or sell. It's not sure. So we don't know what the market will do. So basically, I'm just looking for I'm just expecting a reaction with this 1 week demand zone. And due to that reaction, I should be able to spot buying opportunities for a short term. But in the long term, I'm expecting price to come down to this level. And also, guys, this is another demand zone. It was formed within the daily time frame. So basically, I'm expecting price to reach at least to this level. To reach at least to this level. Meaning, price might react like this and come to this our level. Price might react like this, go up before coming to this our level. So now, based on other confidences which we might use, we might be able to get trading opportunities. This low where you guys see is what is a liquid is an Asian low liquidity. So because remember guys, I consider Asian high and Asian low liquidity. Asian high and Asian low as areas of liquidity, and most of the times they are always taken out. If you guys look here, this is an Asian high, Asian low. Both liquidity were taken out. Asian high, Asian low, both sides were taken out. Here was not taken out. Here was taken out. Here was taken out. So there's 80% probability that most at times. So see the Asian high liquidity has been taken out. We are present on the 1 hour time frame, so there's a possibility that Asian low liquidity also will be taken out. And since we're able to spot a 5 minute demand zone here, 5 minute demand zone here, we'll have to scale now down to the 15-minute time frame. We're leaving from the 1 hour time frame to 15-minute time frame to be able to look at market structure within this area. So looking at market structure, we are clearly able to see here that, okay, so let's go to the 15 minutes. Going to the 15 minutes, it gives us another clear picture. Price came down, created this low, went up, created this high, broke structure to the downside while sweeping this low and filling out this week, telling us there's a possibility for price to continue to sell if market structure on the downside continue to be in respected. But what happened instead? That did not happen that way. Instead, what happened? Price was going up, broke structure to the upside, telling us here there's a possibility that price might go up and there's a change of structure to the upside. And price started consolidating, and in consolidating, price has given us an A of liquidity. This is an A of liquidity. This is liquidity. That is liquidity. And now price started coming down. Here is the beginning of the week and Monday. Price has created Asian high liquidity and it has been taken out. We are expecting price to take out this Asian low liquidity like this. Yeah, give us a reaction after take the Asian liquidity, give us a change of character, and we'll go to the upside. Or in another scenario, we're expecting price to come here and we'll do the same thing. So this is my bias. My bias presently at the moment is for price to give us a buy opportunity to be able to target the nearest earliest point of liquidity. And based on my system, when I look at the market, the earliest point of liquidity, this is liquidity up to this level. So this is liquidity. The earliest point of liquidity is here. So I'm expecting price to give us a reaction and give us an entry to be able to come right up here to take out this liquidity. But if price doesn't give us the opportunity which we need, I don't think we'll enter the trade based on my system. So basically, guys, my bias for these coming days within this week is for us to get a sell. Sorry, for us to get the buying opportunities, short-term buys, because presently the market is in a consolidation phase, and I believe we will be able to get the opportunity for the price to move up. And being being optimistic with price moving up, definitely is based on the system which you guys use to trade. People might get trading entry opportunities. So I'm predicting just price movement to this point, and then, but personally, on based on my system, for me to get into the trade, I'm expecting this liquidity here to be taken out. It doesn't liquidity is not always taken out in the market. Like yeah, the ACI high was not taken out, and yeah, there's a probability that the ACI low might not also be taken out, but we trade only when we see our setup. So thanks for watching, guys. That was all about EURUSD. So to summarize everything, price is reacting at the moment on a 1 week demand zone, telling us there's a possibility that we might get a reaction here, which might give us opportunity to take a buy trade based off on the reaction on the demand zone and get into the daily time frame and to the 4 hour time frame. We're able to spot a 5 minute demand zone and expecting price to take out this Asian low liquidity since the Asian high liquidity has been taken out and to give us a buy opportunity. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment so you guys will not miss out on my videos, on my weekly forecast, and so on, guys. Stay safe and stay blessed.